In this video, I will show you how to count cells greater than a number in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, in this Excel sheet, I have marks obtained by students in a particular subject. Now, I want to know how many students got the first class. In other words, I want the count of cells greater than 60 marks. To do that, I am going to use the COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function counts the number of cells that meet the given criteria. We need to specify the range of the cells as the first argument and match criteria as the second argument. So let's begin the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type COUNTIF followed by an opening bracket. Select all the marks as the first argument. Type a comma to enter the second argument, that is the criteria. Since we want to find all the cells greater than number 60, I am going to enter greater than 60 in the double quotes as the criteria. As you can see, we now have the count of cells greater than the number we specified, that is 60. If you want, you can slightly modify this formula to include the number 60 as well by typing an equal sign after the greater than sign to make it greater than or equal to. Now the cell containing the value 60 is also included in the count. In this formula, I hard-coded the value 60 in the formula itself. But what if the value is in another cell and you want to find cells greater than the value in another cell? For example, in this Excel sheet, the number is in another cell E2. If we directly type the cell reference of that cell in the formula, it does not work. We need to concat the cell reference with the greater than condition using the ampersand operator like this to get the count of cells greater than the cell reference number. Finally, we can also use the COUNTIF function instead of COUNTIF function to count the cells greater than a number. Even though the COUNTIF function is meant for multiple conditions, we can use it with only one greater than condition like this. Watch this video to learn how to count cells that contain negative numbers in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.